What's going on, YouTube? It's Jayyduty here. Now, how to use music to attract your desired life. Now, I know you've been hearing recently that, oh, you only supposed to use or play 432 hertz music. Like, anything that's above that is toxic for your mental health and it's not really good for you. Okay, that is true to some extent, but you can use the music to attract your desired life, my nigga. For instance, if you listen to music that's talking about money, nigga, subconsciously, you're going to think about money. You get what I'm saying? It's not like you got to go in a digital fast and just fast from all social media. Bro, you can use social media so you can come up. You get what I'm saying? For instance, another example, bro, if you just listen to people who talking about living a great life or just talking like Lil Baby, what else I can say, my nigga? Just people that's talking about money in general. Who else? Lil Baby, we got Lil Baby, we got Lil Wayne, get money, fuck, get money. Yeah, we got Lil Wayne, and then my nigga, we got YFN Lucci. He been blowing up lately, talking about materialistic things, money, just changing your life. You get what I'm saying? So you can just listen to music that's talk about the same vibration that you want. You get what I'm saying? You ain't got to be over spiritual and be like, oh, bro, I can't listen to this certain music because it's toxic for my soul. Bro, you can listen to any type of music because you got to understand. You have to know what frequencies play best for you, dog. I can listen to 440 hertz frequency and be vibing to it, dog. Whole time the world think, oh, we can't listen to 442 hertz because it's toxic to our soul. That's not the right frequency. But a nigga like me can listen to 440 hertz and be vibing and be feeling like I'm in a good mood. Bro, I'm trying to tell you, my nigga, you can use music to feel like you in a good mood. Now, let's talk about law of attraction because you can use music so you can manifest whatever you want in this life, okay? For instance, lifestyle, oh yeah, beginning. I'm on the top of the mountain speaking on clouds. Like, you can start listening to those type of music so it can raise your vibration. Music just raise your vibration in general. It don't matter what hertz it is. You get what I'm saying? If it sounds good to you, nigga, that's your meditation song. You get what I'm saying? So don't be, because I'm trying to just reprogram your brain, dog, because I know how it will feel to be up in the loop and thinking like, oh, you got to be perfect. Bro, fuck being perfect, bro. The goal is just to be authentic, bro. Nigga, I listen to whatever music I want. I don't care what music it is, my nigga. If it raised my vibration, if I truly like it, my nigga, that's my meditation song. Like, my higher self resonate with that type of frequency. You get what I'm saying? You can also just listen to some bees. You know, bees, nature, they be singing along too. Like when they be like, bzzz, that's all frequency. But our ancestors used to use music to heal our soul so our hair can grow longer. Like, we used to listen to music so we can naturally glow. You get what I'm saying? Like, music is like a natural healer to your soul. You get what I'm saying? But my nigga, you ain't got to be overly spiritual and be like, oh, I only can listen to certain music. Bro, that's BS, my nigga. Like, bro, if you want to attract some type of thing in your life, my nigga, just listen to people who's talking about that desire that you want inside your life. You get what I'm saying? Like Jayyduty, I love money, bro. I want money in my life. I want to take care of my family. I want to take care of my peoples around me. I want to take care of myself. I want to get out my mama room and so I can actually go experience life, right? So I'm going to listen to people who's talking about experiencing life. I'm not about to listen to somebody who ain't even talking about nothing, bro, who talk about drugs and killing people and robbing people. Bro, you are what you listen to. So I'm going to switch my frequency to listening to people that's talking about actually getting money, taking care of themselves, taking care of their family, retiring their mama, retiring their girlfriend. Like, I'm going to listen to people who's talking about things that resonate with what I want inside my life. So I want money. Okay, I'm going to listen to YFN Lucci Heartless because he's talking about money. You get what I'm saying? I'm going to listen to YFN Lucci Daylight because he's talking about money. You get what I'm saying? So I'm just going through a playlist that I like that will resonate with my soul. You get what I'm saying? Because I love music. Everybody love music, especially melanated people. Nigga, we are music. You get what I'm saying? I used to listen to Playboy Cardi and Lil Uzi Vert, but I just come to realization that they don't really be talking about shit. Like, Playboy Cardi, he don't even be talking about nothing. You just really like the frequency in his voice. You get what I'm saying? That's all it is. You just like his voice. Like, it's a lot of bangers that these rappers have because of their voice and how they sound and how like they voice is just so mastered. You get what I'm saying? So it is really just tools that they use in a workspace that they do to make their voice sound like the way that it does right now. You get what I'm saying? So my nigga, let's say my nigga, okay, Jayyduty, bro, I want to attract $1,000,000. What should I do, right? First, my nigga, you still have to put in action. The reason why you use music, so you can actually feel like you have $1,000,000. You get what I'm saying, my nigga? So when you listen to music, feel like you already, bro, holding $1,000,000 right now. Like, feel like you already in a penthouse. Feel like you already living that desired life that the music is displaying. You get what I'm saying? Because the music, they talk about desiring, whether it's females, money, going to the club, whatever it is, cars, clothes, hoes, all that other BS, right? But my nigga, if you truly want that inside your life, my nigga, pretend like you already have that while listening to music. You get what I'm saying? You can use music to benefit your life. You get what I'm saying? Because nowadays, when I listen to music, my nigga, I literally just be raising my own vibration. Another thing too, my nigga, the reason why Jayyduty is attractive right now, because I used music to look more attractive. Now you probably like, well, Jayyduty, bro, what are you talking about, bro? How can you use music to better your attraction? Bro, you gotta understand, my nigga. When you play Chris Brown, Jacquees, when you play attractive music, you start to become that frequency. And once you become that frequency, you start to live that lifestyle, because frequency is life. That's what makes up life. It's just frequency. Everything is frequency. Nigga, my hair, nigga, that's frequency. This is electromagnetic right here, my nigga. We are electromagnetic beings. Bro, my melanin, bro, this is frequency. You get what I'm saying? Nigga, the wall, nigga, that is frequencies. That is just vibrating of atoms. You get what I'm saying, my nigga? Music, nigga, that is frequency. Why you think when you listen to certain music, you either get a high vibration or you either get a low vibration? You get what I'm saying? But what I'm going to tell you, my nigga, right? When I used to play Jacquees and goddamn Chris Brown, I used to feel myself in the mirror every single day. I wasn't just staring at them thinking like, dang, they so sexy. Nah, nigga, I was staring myself in the mirror. I was like, damn, bro, I'm so sexy, bro. I was like feeling myself. I was like feeling the song. You get what I'm saying? So you can use songs to make you look more. Why y'all think females the most attractive beings on this earth? Because females is the only beings on this earth that tap into their femininity. Nowadays, dudes are programmed. They are wired that femininity is gay. So they are wired to think, yo, listen to certain songs that tap dudes into their femininity, bro, that's gay. Man going to the gym, bro, that's gay. Man improving their lives, nigga, that's gay. Man showing themselves on social media, nigga, that's gay. So basically what most dudes been programmed to think, bro, man that express themselves correctly, nigga, they're gay. That's how they think. But it's only unattractive dudes that think like that. Every attractive man, they don't think like that. They go with the flow of femininity because they understood that femininity is life. That's how we express ourselves. That's how we look more attractive. That's how we become the best version of ourselves, because we tapping into the feminine side. Why you think you use music? When you listen to music, my nigga, you tap into the feminine side. Why you think they trying to promote all this drill music? Because that's not feminine, bro. You're not growing out of that music. When you listen to drill music, you becoming more masculine, more unattractive, more stupid. Nigga, you becoming all, bro, every area of your life is becoming more stupidity. You get what I'm saying? Like, I don't even know if that's a word, but my nigga, all areas of your life is going downhill because, my nigga, it's the music that you listen to. You get what I'm saying, my nigga? Because you gotta understand, when you listen to drill music, guess what? You want to kill people. You want to look like them. You want to act like them. You want to receive just like them. You want to do everything they doing, right? So when you listen to it, my nigga, you start to carry it to your environment. So you start to bring it to work. You start to bring it to school. Now everybody else gonna think you unattractive. Now you wearing do-rags on your head. Now that's fucking up your hairline, my nigga. Now you putting goddamn ski, bro. It's more deeper than you think, my nigga. Bro, this drill music is making you like less attractive, bro. Like dead ass, my nigga. This is why a lot of dudes wear that ski mask and they hair just don't grow, my nigga. Because, my nigga, you're not tapping into your femininity. When you tap into your femininity, you're more relaxed. You want to take care of yourself. You want to just do anything to just take care of yourself, bro. Niggas who listen to Chris Brown all day, they are the most attractive beings on this earth, because Chris Brown hold that frequency of attractiveness. So if you listen to Chris Brown all day, my nigga, you gonna be attractive, my nigga. I'm not trying to switch your playlist. This is what I do. You get what I'm saying? All I do is listen to Chris Brown. All I do is listen to Jacquees. All I do is listen to Dage Loaf. All I do is listen to attractive music. You get what I'm saying? So it's just that simple, my nigga. You can use music to raise your vibration. You can use music to attract money into your life. You can use music to look more attractive. You can use music to pull a girlfriend. Or you can use music to improve all areas of your life if you do it correctly. You get what I'm saying? And there's no correct way, my nigga. It's just the frequency that you resonate with is the frequency that you will become. And the frequency you will become is the frequency that's going to create your life how you want it to be. Because it's all your desire that's in your head, my nigga. So it's just what's in your head, it can be in your hand too, my nigga. So my nigga, say if you a dude be like, okay, Jayyduty, bro, I want to be more attractive. What should I do? Listen to attractive music. Okay, Jayyduty, I get that, right? Because I do listen to attractive music now, and you just put me on game. Thank you so much. Okay, I want to attract money. What should I do? Nigga, listen to money frequency. Listen to 888 hertz money frequency. Listen to that overnight, and listen to rappers that's talking about money. You get what I'm saying? Like, okay, Jayyduty, bro, I want to get over my porn addiction, and I want to stop masturbating. What should I do? Stop listening to fucking all of them baddie TV shows and all of those. I know you don't listen to it, but my nigga, stop listening to baddies on your goddamn, like, on your playlist, my nigga. I know you probably do love Sexy Red, but my nigga, you gotta understand what type of frequency she's playing. She's playing a lustful frequency that's going to keep you to relapse 24/7 out the day, my nigga. So if you just listen to goddamn Sexy Red all day, my nigga, you're not going to be able to practice semen retention. Nigga, you're going to relapse every single second you get, my nigga, because guess what? Sexy Red frequency is not good for the soul. It's just attracting lustful entities to attack you spiritually. You get what I'm saying? So it's just that simple, my nigga. Okay, Jayyduty, I do get what you're saying now, bro. Bro, thank you for this video. Bro, like, this video was so helpful. Bro, we need more men like you. But my nigga, how do I just become the best version of myself? Because I don't want to listen to music, and I still want to become the best version of myself. Bro, listen to frequency hertz, my nigga. 432 hertz, 7 hertz. Bro, listen to some hertz. You get what I'm saying? Before you go to bed, bro, listen to some hertz, bro. That would naturally heal your soul. Listen to some bees, my nigga. Play bees on your goddamn TV. Like, look up, y'all know the animal or the whatever the fuck it is, the fucking creature bee. You get what I'm saying? Like the zzz, like y'all know what I'm talking about. Yeah, look that up, my nigga. And you feel me? Like, it would naturally heal your soul. It would naturally raise your vibration, because y'all gotta understand, animals, they be singing with the earth too. You get what I'm saying? Zzz, even goddamn lions and all, they be naturally singing with the earth. You get what I'm saying? Even butterflies, bees, you got all them other type of insects that just be just vibing with the earth, bro. You can look that up, my nigga, and it would naturally heal your soul. Anyways, bro, that was just a quick little video, or a quick little thought that I had resonated with. Yeah, bro, like, I'm just chilling right now, man. It's just that simple, my nigga. I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.